Though I plan the way, God directs my footsteps. Wherever my footsteps, tens of thousands of miles walking, I never took breaths. My master plan was built with slave hands. To know unknown knowledge is the pinnacle of precise power. With my words, I articulate architecture. Structuring designs, crisscrossing lines, etching and sketching hieroglyphics, I decoded the grand design. Beyond the stars lies my destiny. Carved in the scorching sun, I can see the signs. They shine so bright with light that it blinds the all-seeing eye, and I see with my eyes all the lies that go unrealized, and when I realize the truth that should set you free is paid with the price. But you ain't gonna ask around. You can find the cost of your freedom buried in the ground, or is it risen? The truth is, there is no going around the truth and burnt down to ground zero. It's levels to the shit. And I started from the bottom. Whenever I set planes, it was like reaching for help from a dead man. 6 feet deeper than 6 feet, digging the grave 6 feet deeper with red hands. These hands, they're bloodstained, like shovels, digging deeper into the people, extracting the blood, sweat, and tears that pour from the pores of the poor, and I'm reaching for more. So with these hands of mine, just hand me time post time. It's the only thing I would do have. But yet still, we all spend time wasting when time wasted. Well, let's face it. Eventually, the glitz, glamour becomes so basic, revealing the harsh realities of living in the matrix. Despising the sun, wishing for the moon, we're like vampires dealing with the slave ship. Who's writing the script? There's a time we were once kings, ruled by any means necessary. Now, it really is necessary by any means to fix all fixation of regular and faded glory. We have to remix the lies and go back to retelling the untold stories to come. Hear the words of Malcolm, my tongue is a shotgun. And I will send a fragment of this message in the direction of any section that is lost without direction. I should mention that I speak direct. We've lost sight of the promised land, so it seems. We've gone so far that we can't even exercise imagination to imagine a dream. We've traded the truth. Classy suits and ties to money calls jewelry. Bullshit, swag, and lies. See, the schemes devised are the schemes to divide. The power within the people who sit to live and stand to die. Listen, they talk about these revolutions. On these big screens, I'll be televised, but for years, that TV has been telling lies. Revolutionaries revolve around residual ideas, ideas of idiocracy that are sacred scrolls stashed by Socrates, embedded with prideful, pompous philosophies, but the mind is just psychology. And I'm so psyched that I feel psychotic. Whoever psychoanalyzes my mind, keep mind, my mind's 8 minds, so I'm saying it ain't the right me. That's one reason why I pray to God to bless and cleanse my soul, because I was a born sinner. So correct me if I'm wrong. Because I'm wrong, I right my rights, and I feel down. I hear the voices of Bob Marley songs, downright shouting, get up stand up for your rights. So upright in righteousness I will stand. So right now, please bear with me, because I couldn't stand the bear the pain of witnesses being burned, being naked, witnessing the bare naked truth. Let the truth be told. All liars. Instead of dousing a flame, add no fuel into a campfire. And while these embers erupt into fiery flames, I will rebel in rebellions. I will rise in uprise. I will dish out disorder and chaos like a true son of anarchy. Here's the time when I strive to be a king, but a rap song told me it was all a dream. And I had done seen the souls of those that I call friends, living life but not alive, looking more like the walking dead. We're all lost. Where are the leaders? Take the lead and lead us ahead. Better off playing dead on his operating tables where his doctors administer medication. We're better off by taking part in the class when his tutoring teachers teach education. We're better off being the last face of the race as he watched the rage and embrace his race rapidly to obfuscation caused by this generation. This generation is held on ropes of destruction. Hope is hung low as these young fools get high off ecstasy. Expression, elevated expression that feebly float the cloud they get told after the drugs dissipate. Life is hell. X marks the spot. And right now, I feel like I'm in a spot where Malcolm X was X'd out because he had dreams that bullets did end. End of the era, end of the saga, end of the age where we subscribe to scribes and schooled by scholars. No longer do we redefine or have the need to define because our roots and our cultures are being redefined. The structures of self-worth and self-value in design to be redesigned, bubble wrapped in ignorance and shipped out to deep minds to listen. This is a message for these lost souls. I'll continue to speak the truth, even after put it in more scopes. So before you judge this book by its black cover, I'm here to tell you that God loves you. Whatever chapter in this book you turn the page on, read between the lines, see the truth, and stay calm. See, I rage on because they killed Trayvon. And I will continue to snap back in this new era of slavery thought to be gone. I'm the one in this matrix, remixing the sights and the sound because the master of these slaves just got these 2 chains on. One on the neck, one on the mental. It was deemed a mind demented, crafted by a mind of cruel intentions that us and people as individuals stuck at a standstill. It was the oppressor's will to oppress us at will, had us stuck at a standstill. But didn't God give us the strength to overcome and persevere, so why are we still stuck at a standstill? I won't stand still until there's justice for the until, but still. These are lessons for learners in regards to the readers, words, and wise. Take remarks on the patriarchs and prophet from the prophets who prophesied your life down to the end of your last days. You know this, that though you might be among 10 disciples, though you may have erred 9 times, though your faith upheld by 8 pillars may fall to your love of 7 sins, though your journey in this life may have showed you 6 paths, they might be perverse in 5 points of your heart, though you may have seen the destruction of this world held at 4 corners, though you may have received messages from 3 angels, though you might be 2 steps further from the devil, if you live your life according to God, and the most surely counts in steps closer to heaven, you are one.